Looking to create a powerful charity or nonprofit website in 2026? Whether you're running a donation campaign, NGO, fundraising events, or community project, choosing the right WordPress theme can make all the difference. If your website looks outdated, slow, or confusing, you lose trust instantly. So in this video, I'll show you the top-performing nonprofit WordPress themes that are helping organizations raise more money online. Let's dive in. 1. Alone. First on our list is Alone, one of the most powerful charity WordPress themes available. Why NGOs love it? Built-in donation system, recurring donations, multiple NGO demos, event and volunteer management, Elementor support. This theme feels premium and professional, perfect for large campaigns, global NGOs, or crowdfunding platforms. If you want flexibility and design freedom, this theme is a strong choice. 2. Charity Hub. Trust equals donations. Charity Hub has a clean and structured design that builds credibility fast. PayPal donations, cause management system, minimal and professional layout, easy customization. This theme works best for traditional NGOs, foundations, and local charities that want clarity over complexity. 3. Charity, built for speed and SEO. Speed matters more than ever in 2026. Charity is lightweight, modern, and optimized for performance. Fast loading, mobile-first design, campaign and event pages, smooth donation flow. If you care about Google rankings and user experience, charity is a smart investment. 4. Big Hearts, emotional and story-driven. Donations are emotional decisions. Big Hearts is designed to tell powerful stories. Strong visual sections, campaign progress bars, recurring donations, and volunteer features. This theme connects hearts before wallets. 5. Chariton, clean and conversion-focused. Want something modern but simple? Chariton keeps distractions away and focuses on action. Multiple homepage layouts, Elementor-ready, smooth donation integration, fully responsive. If you're launching a new NGO in 2026, this is beginner-friendly and powerful.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.